Good morning everyone. Today I am Bharti Kumari from BBM third year PPU going to give presentation on topic general entry under the guidance of Sinku sir. So accounting. Accounting is often called the language of businesses. Accounting is a systematic process of recording, classifying, summarizing business transactions. So here is a classification of accounting. Accounting is classified into two types: personal account and impersonal account. In personal account, we have three types: natural persons, artificial person, and representative persons account. In personal account, we have real account and nominal account. Under natural person account, we have God-made humans. In artificial, we have school and colleges, and in representative, we have outstanding prepaid and paid in advance. In real account, all the tangible and intangible assets are included, and in nominal, all the expense and gains and are included in this. So here is the double entry rule. In personal account, debit all the receiver and credit the giver. In real account, debit what comes in and credit what goes out. In nominal account, debit all expenses and losses and credit all the income and gains. So here is the format of journal entry. Next, we have some transaction through which we're going to pass journal entry. So here the first transaction is on 1st July 2017. Mr. Ram Kishan started business with cash 2 lakh. So here we're going to cash account debit to capital account, because cash we are investing cash in business, and according to accounting rule, business have their own separate legal entity. That's why cash they're receiving the cash, so we're going to debit them according to double entry rule. And capitalists are liabilities, and when so we credited that. So here the next transaction on 4th July 2017, goods purchased in cash 20,000. So the entry of 4th July is purchase account debit to cash account. Here we are purchasing a goods, and when we're going to purchase a goods, our goods we receive the goods and our cash will be outflow. So we debited the purchase because we are receiving that, and our cash is going out. So according to double entry rule, when something goes out, we're going to credit that. So here we credit the cash. Okay, so next entry on 5 July 2017, he deposit in bank. So bank is artificial representative personal account. So here bank account we debited because bank is receiver and cash is going out, so that's why we credit the cash. Okay, now the last entry is 7 July 2017, goods sold 15,000. So here we going to receive cash and our goods going to be outflow. So the thing, if you receive something, we're going to debit, and if something is giving or outflowing, we're going to credit that according to double entry rule. So here we cash account debit to sales account. Thank you.